The USDJPY remains a key focus for the U.S. trading session on May 27 as market participants await fresh economic data. The primary catalyst for the afternoon session will be the release of the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, which is expected to influence short-term dollar dynamics. Additionally, speeches from Federal Open Market Committee FOMC members Lorie K, Logan, and Lisa D. Cook are highly anticipated. Would you like to read more good news about USDJPY, tips, and beginner? Both Logan and Cook are recognized for their hawkish stances regarding inflation. Should their remarks confirm a restrictive monetary policy outlook, the US dollar could see extended gains against the yen. Meanwhile, geopolitical instability in the Middle East continues to exert pressure on global markets, indirectly weighing on the Japanese economy through its impact on commodity prices. Technical outlook and buy scenarios reduce lag and improve accuracy with the non-lag MA expert advisor. Discover it. For intraday long positions, a primary entry point is identified at 159.43. A sustained move above this level targets the 159.64 resistance zone, where traders may consider closing long positions and potentially reversing into shorts. It is essential that the MACD indicator is positioned above the zero line and beginning its upward trajectory before executing a buy at 159.43. An alternative buying scenario involves a double test at the 159.30 support level. If the MACD indicator shows oversold conditions during these tests, it suggests that downward momentum is exhausted. This setup favors an upward reversal with targets at 159.43 and 159.64. Selling scenarios and key support levels of bearish outlook emerges if the price breaks below the 159.30 support level. This move could trigger a rapid decline toward 159.09, where long positions might be reconsidered for a 2025-point correction. Sellers should ensure the MACD indicator is below the zero line and trending downward before entering the market at 159.30. Additionally, a sell signal may materialize at the 159.43 resistance level if the pair exhibits overbought conditions on the MACD. A failure to break higher at this junction would likely result in a downward market reversal, with price objectives situated at the 159.30 and 159.09 levels. Risk management strategy due to the potential for high volatility during fundamental news releases and central bank commentary. Disciplining risk management is critical. Beginner traders should exercise caution and consider staying out of the market during major reports to avoid slippage and sharp price fluctuations. Utilizing stop-loss orders remains a fundamental requirement for protecting capital in the current market environment. Automate and optimize your forex trading with robot FX and T4 and T5 solutions. Visit us today for the best trading tools.